Get dressed with me. Let's go to the shopping mall. Welcome, guys. How are you guys doing today? Okay, since that Obi is at home, so he decided to take me out to buy some food items and for some shopping. Wow! Then we decide to go to the shopping mall that is close to our house and to go to Africa store to buy some food items. Did you know what I started doing, guys? I said I have to prepare myself to be beautiful like a queen, but although I do a casual makeup, just a simple makeup, although, because I don't want to do something so serious. Just something that it is okay for a casual outing and all those stuff. Very simple, because I do not want to keep my man waiting for me. Hi. Then I started getting prepared, getting ready and all those stuff, doing my simple makeup. At the end, I put on my cap wig, that beautiful cap wig that I was systemizing this period. That was the reasons why I wash all my cap wig and stretch them and systemize them, so that it will be so easy for me to use when Obi is around. Not all the time, I am always late, so I have to do something that it will make him happy. Alright, after when I'm done dressing, we went to the shopping mall, that is to the supermarket. We bought a lot of things and all those stuff. I just decided to leave this short voice note for you guys. Then watch this video to the end and you will understand everything that I did on this video. Oh my gosh, but I was still beautiful. I am a queen. All women are queens. Remember that. And all men are king. You know, you get it. You know, you get it. You get it or you leave it. One love, guys. I love you guys.